Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present on democratizing electric mobility and innovation and entrepreneurship analysis of Tata Motors Act.EV architecture and unique ecosystem. In this presentation, I will explain the problems in electric vehicle adoption, how Tata Motors solve these problems through innovation, and how its ecosystem help make electric mobility accessible in India. So the core problem was before discussing the solution, let us understand the problem. For many years, electric vehicles in India faced three major problems. First was high acquisition cost. EVs were mainly available in premium segments, so they were expensive for common customers. Second was range anxiety. People were worried that the battery would not have enough capacity for long distance travel. Third was the lack of proper EV ecosystem. Charging infrastructure and EV components were not easily available anywhere. So, Tata Motors needed a solution that could address these problems. Now, we will see architectural innovation. Tata Motors developed ACT.EV, which stands for Advanced Connected Intelligent Electric Vehicle. It is a dedicated pure EV architecture based on four important layers. The first is the powertrain layer, which uses high energy density battery packs and provides a range up to 468 kilometers. The second is chassis layer, which increases cabin space and provides a flat floor and additional storage through a trunk. The third is the electric layer, which provides high computing power for features such as ADAS and 5G connectivity. And the fourth is the cloud architecture, which allows future software updates through OTA or over-the-air updates, along with Arcade.ev application. The main innovation here is that Tata Motor did not simply convert an existing petrol or diesel platform into an electric vehicle. Instead, it developed a dedicated EV architecture. This approach allows the company to better integrate the battery, motor, electronics, software, and vehicle design. It also makes the platform more flexible for developing different EV models in the future. Frugal innovation and blue ocean strategy. Now let us look at two important entrepreneurial concepts. The first is frugal innovation. Tata Motors focused on providing advanced features at mass market price. Features such as 360-degree cameras, ventilated seats, and IP67 rated battery protection were offered without making the vehicle a premium only product. This idea is basically doing more with less. The second concept is the blue ocean strategy. Tata Motors entered a less crowded segment with the Punch EV, India's first electric micro SUV according to the presentation. This helped the company target customers who wanted an affordable and practical electrical vehicle. Uh, Tata Motors did not focus only on manufacturing the vehicle. It created a large EV ecosystem involving different Tata companies. Tata Power helps solve the charging infrastructure problem by developing public and home charging networks. Tata Autocom supports localized and cost-effective manufacturing for high-voltage battery packs and electric motors. Tata Chemicals work toward domestic lithium-ion cell manufacturing and battery recycling. So, different companies work together to support different parts of EV's value chain. This is what makes the unique ecosystem important. Now, the proposition. The next important point is the value provided to customers. First is safety. With the features such as 6 airbags, ESP, and robust battery protection. Second is easy charging. With DC fast charging from approximately 10% to 80% in around 56 minutes. Third is technology, including Arcade.ev, infotainment, a digital cockpit, and a voice assistant. And finally, there is lower total cost of ownership, meaning the overall running and ownership cost can be much lower compared with conventional ICE vehicles. Now, leapfrogging into pure EVs. Another major point is Tata Motors' shift toward pure EV platforms. Earlier, EVs could be developed by modifying platforms originally designed for internal combustion engine vehicles. With ACT.EV, Tata Motors moved toward a born electric architecture. This means the vehicle is designed around electric mobility from the beginning. It supports the development of smarter, more connected, and more sustainable electric vehicles. Now, the result. Result and conclusion. To conclude, Tata Motors EV innovation is not just about developing an electric car, it is about creating a complete system involving vehicle architecture, technology, charging infrastructure, components, and software. The ACT.EV platform addresses important customer problems such as cost, range, and technology. The unique ecosystem brings different Tata companies together to strengthen the EV value chain. So, the biggest lesson from this case is innovation is not just about creating new technology, it is also about making the technology accessible to more people. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation. Hope you will understand the EV infrastructure.